We all know how important courageous leadership is. But do we know what it takes to be a courageous leader?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Today, we're going to talk about courageous leadership, one important trait that all business leaders are aspire to. What is courageous leadership anyway? For a business to win in a tough competitive market, every team member from each level must be able to lead. Sometimes it means leading a team, a project, or an organization. Other times, it means taking an initiative to get things done. And in a different situation, it means following and supporting other people to become leaders in which they are better prepared to lead. Leadership requires a clear picture of where to go, and then energizing and enabling the whole team to go towards that vision. Leaders trust and empower others. Leaders get things done. Leadership requires courage to take bold choices. This means starting something new or end something that is already established before. It also means speaking up our minds and listening to our colleagues. It means standing up for what you believe is true, and at other times sitting down to listen for a different perspective. No matter what the situation is, courage is the backbone of successful leadership. And these are some of the behaviors of courageous leaders. Focus externally. Rather than just focusing on internal measure, internal KPI, scorecard, courageous leaders focus externally. They listen to the consumers. They understand what does it mean to delight the consumer. They listen to the stakeholders, the shareholder, how to create a greater return for the shareholder. They listen to the communities and how to make a more impactful effort for the communities around us. Make clear choices. Courageous leaders prioritize. They understand that resources, time are limited, and therefore they make bold choices in their own organization to prioritize to what matters most. Take smart risk. Courageous leaders are willing to take calculated risk. They calculate the possibilities and then take actions. Be decisive. Courageous leaders make decisions at the right time. They do not procrastinate in making decisions, and they understand that no decision is actually a decision as well. And when they make the decision, they don't change their mind. They are not wishy-washy or flip-flopping the decisions. They know the pros and the cons of the options, the upsides and the downside, and then make decision about it. Face reality. Courageous leaders see reality clearly. They do not fool themselves and others just to make things look better than they are. They don't just report things to please their bosses. If the execution fails, they will say so without sugarcoating the situation. Because only by facing the reality, courageous leaders can really make improvements to the situations. How about you? Do you think it is important to be courageous as a leader? What do you think are the most important behaviors that courageous leaders must demonstrate? Please write in the comment sections below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.